Hello everyone, welcome, thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this 5-ply Clad stainless steel cookware. This is a 10-piece kit, NSF certified, comes with 6 pans and 4 lids. Alright, here we go. In this box contains 10-inch skillet, 12-inch skillet, 4.5 quarts deep sauté pan, a 2 quarts saucepan, 3 quarts saucepan, and a 8 quarts stockpot with 4 lids. This product is made in China, works with ceramic, gas, electric, halogen, induction, and is food safe. If you're not completely satisfied with this Kirkland signature product, your money will be refunded. So that's a good thing with buying from COSTCO. 5-ply construction alternates layers of stainless steel, aluminum, and copper to regulate heat distribution, eliminate hot spots, and provide precise temperature control. Heavy gauge lids fits precisely for heat nutrient retention, the snug fit promotes self-basting. Strong double rivet, ergonomic cast stainless steel handles stay cool on the cooktop. Can be used with gas, electric, and induction cooktops. Care and user guide. Before I begin, this is one nice looking set. For this set, these lids are not interchangeable. For instance, this is too big for this one and too small for this one. And this is also too small for this one. And this is too big for this.